Our fifth lesson title is Fractions. Fractions. What's the meaning of fractions, students? Fractions means, for example, see here. See this. One big box is given, right? This is divided into two. One box divided into two lobes. Got it? The whole number is being divided. Okay? The whole number, this one, it is being divided. The whole number is 1. But how many boxes are there? 2. That is called fraction. The part of the whole number is being divided. See the definition. A fraction is a part of a whole or a collection, part of the whole number. So, if it is one box, it's divided by how many? By 2. Is it like this? Okay. Now, in fraction, we come across numerator and denominator. Okay, numerator and denominator. Numerator is always on the top, denominator is always down. Look at this matching, students. One I will do for you. One circle, right? In within one circle, it divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. In 4 parts, the number 4, write it below. How many is colored? One box is colored. So write like this. 4 is a whole number. 1 is the part of this whole. 4 boxes are there. Write it as a denominator. The down one is denominator. Which one, how many boxes are colored? One box is colored. Write it up. That is your numerator. In this, what's a fraction is the whole number 4. How many is colored? 1 is colored. So 1 is a part of 4. 1 by 4. We call it 1 by 4. The rest you can try it as your homework. Even in this also. Anil ate 1 by 4 of 8 bananas. He ate dash bananas. Now how to find out? Here we have denominator and we have given the separate number. Now we can divide 4 with 8. If you divide, you will get 2, right? 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So, Anil ate how many bananas? 2 bananas. You can try like this for another sums also, right? Even here, we have to color to show the given fraction. 1 is done for us. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. How many is colored? 1. So 3 is a whole number. 1 is a part of this whole number. You have to write it 1 by 3. Now let's see the types of fractions. Types of fractions. The first one is proper fraction. Proper fractions. Next one, unit fractions. Next one, improper fractions. Like fractions, unlike fraction. Altogether, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 types of fractions. Proper fraction, unit fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. What's the meaning of proper fraction is the number has less than 1, that is proper fraction. that is the numerator is always less than the denominator. On top, what's the numerator? That is always less than the denominator. For example, 3 by 4. Denominator 4 is bigger than 3 numerator. 1 by 2. 2 is bigger, 1 is smaller. 2 by 3. 3 is bigger, 2 is smaller. So these are called proper fraction. If it is given like this, no need to change at all. We can further continue the sum. Unit fraction. What's the meaning of unit fraction? Means which has numerator 1. Numerator means on top number is called numerator. If the numerator number is 1, then that is called unit fraction. What's the meaning of improper fraction? Improper fraction means the number is always greater than 1, not below than 1, greater than 1. That is the numerator. That numerator is always greater than the denominator. For example, see, 5 by 2, numerator is 5, denominator is 2. 8 by 3, numerator is 8, denominator is 3. And 7 by 5, 7 is greater, 5 is smaller. So the numerators are bigger, here the denominators are smaller. This is called improper fraction. This is need to be changed. That I will teach you in the following sums. And then we can also call this improper fraction as a mixed fraction or mixed numbers. For example, sometime the number will be given 5 by 2. How can we write it as a mixed fraction? 5. Okay. This 5, how can we divide it? Divide with the denominator number 2. How can we divide with 5? So still we will try. How many 2's are there in 5? 2 2's are 5. Now, 2 2's are 4. Okay, write the 2. And then plus 1 is remaining, right? 4 plus 1 is 5. So we got 4. 2 2's are 4. Balance 1 is there. Write that 1 on top. And the denominator, write it as it is. So 2 here and 1 by 2. This is called mixed number or mixed fractions. Next one, like fraction. What's the meaning of like fraction? Means they have the same denominator. If the group of number is given, the down one denominator will be the same number, like 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 7 by 5. It can be also 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 7 by 9, like that. Got it? They are called like fraction. Like fraction means they have the same number of denominator. Unlike fractions means they have different denominator. As I have showed you before, the denominators comes in if the group of 3 group of number is given, the denominators are different. So if the denominators are different in numbers, it has to be changed in further way to get as a equal number of denominator. If it is different number of denominator, this fraction is called unlike fraction. So we need to change it as a like fraction, that I will show you. These are the types of fraction. Now I showed you what's the meaning of fraction and how to find out number fraction. By using this, I showed you matching, one filling the blanks, one color, how it is colored, how can we write it as a fraction, I have explained. Now we are revising types of fraction. There are 5 types of fractions: proper fraction, unit fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, and unlike fractions. If you turn to the next page, equivalent fraction is given. What's the meaning of equivalent fraction? See here students, equivalent fractions stand for the same fraction. Means a boy cut an apple into two equal parts. Okay, two equal parts. He ate one. He ate one part. Each of them ate equal part of an apple. He ate one. Okay. Then how can we write it? Therefore, Abhay ate Abhay cut one apple into two parts. He ate only one part. So when we write it in the number, therefore one apple, okay, he cut it into how many part? Into two part, okay. The two part number is down. How many he ate? One. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a fraction for this. And then Monica cut an apple into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Monica cut an apple into how many parts? One apple into 4 equal parts. She ate how many? 2 she ate. Now how can we write it this as a fraction? See here. How many parts she cut? 4. How many she ate? 2. So 2 by 4. Got it? Now when we write it as a equivalent fraction, 1 by 2, right? We can equal to 2 by 4. Same thing, one apple cut into two parts and then he ate one. Here 2 by 4. 1 by 2 and then 2 by 4. These two are equivalent fraction. 2 are equivalent fraction. Got it? Now how to write equivalent fraction? With this we are finishing this class. We have two terms. This is in higher terms. This is in lower term. In higher term, we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, the number is 2 by 4. Okay, how can we multiply this number? We can use second table as shown here. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So 4 by 8. This is what happened. This equals, we are multiplying with the same number with numerator and denominator. That becomes equivalent fraction in higher term. In lower term, it is opposite. We have to divide it. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by one of their common number. The number given is 12 by 8. For 12 and 8, which is the common number? Which is the common table? 2. So 2 divided by 12, 6. 2 6 are 12. 8 divided by 4, 2 4. 2 4s are 8. So the common number we have to divide for both the numerator and denominator. Answer is 4 by 6 by 4. Here we multiply. In higher term multiply, in lower term divide it. Okay students, this is equivalent fraction. In the next class, we will continue exercise 5.1, how to multiply and write it. Even you can also see one here. The number is given, we have to multiply numerator and the denominator by the given number here. For example, 1 by 2. 2 ones are 1, 2s are 2, and then 2 2s are 2 into 2, 4. 2 by 4. Or you can do with this also 3. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Likewise, we will do it in the next class. This is all about fraction we have seen. Okay students, thank you for listening very carefully. Have a nice day.